Northwestern 5-cent gumball machine, original condition, working, original key and lock. This old yellow paint job is over a red one, so I'm not sure if the paint job's original. However, the paint job itself is old. Glass is in great shape. Has your 60-year-old patina that you'd expect. The hopper can be used as a nut machine because of the large portions in the hopper that it provides. Right now there's only one small blue gumball in there, which we'll purchase for 5 cents. Again, the glass is in great shape. Underneath, and we can see the red and the yellow paint, so it might be factory as far as the yellow. Okay, try a nickel here. And we'll twist the knob. See the hopper in action. Gumball drops. There we go. This machine's in working condition. Obviously it can use a little bit of a tune-up. Let's take a look at the inside. It's complete. Very easy to work with machine, easy to access the change. And then you simply release the globe by pulling on this lever. Okay, thanks for looking.